Welcome to TechGear.com. I'm here from Colorado, General Sales Manager. My name is Jörg Lovich. The common problem that we're facing day to day these days is we run out of power on our mobile devices, especially our smartphones, since we're using them a lot more often due to its old functionalities that we have. What's the problem? The batteries don't last as long, and when we're out and about, we have no way of recharging it. Until now, TechGear has the solution: a power bank or a power station that is portable and can recharge your batteries for your cell phone, for instance, on the go. Imagine you run out of power, you have nowhere to turn to get that power. But this time you have your power bank with you, and you take it, you hook it up, and you charge your device. Hop on the next page and I'll show you how it's done. Thank you.